we are doing the test for chloride ion, and these are the reagent that is required. This is the salt that will contain the chloride ion. This is the base NH4OH we are using. This is silver nitrate, the main reagent for the detection of chloride ion, and this is the concentrated sulfuric acid I have kept in the beaker. So, and this is the glass rod, this is the test tube stand we'll use, and we'll see how we can do this experiment. Now the salt we are using, now we'll add this acid to it, concentrated sulfuric acid. You will see the gas is being involved. This is pungent smell, it is coming out, and you can see from the top how the gas is coming out. Now to detect it, you can also do it a primary test, that is you can dip this glass rod in your NaOH, and when you bring it to the mouth of this, you will see that white fumes, dense white fumes of NH4Cl is formed, and it is coming out. You can see from the video how it is coming out. So this is the general test. Now we can do the other test also when you are adding the silver nitrate solution to it. Now we are using the silver nitrate solution. You can see this is the reagent that is being kept in a colored bottle, because you have already discussed in case of silver salts that they reacts with the light, photochemical reactions do takes place. So that's why we are taking this colored bottle. This is the amber bottle, and we always keep in this colored bottle so that it would not react with the light. Now you will, in the same solution, you can add your AgNO3 solution to it. So you will see the white PPT is formed of silver chloride is being formed. Initially you are adding silver nitrate, then silver chloride is being formed. Now in that, for the confirmatory test, you can add NH4OH to it. Now just add NH4 to it, NH4OH. You can see that when we are adding NH4OH, this starts dissolving, this PPT. You can see you are keeping it, and the PPT is dissolving. Initially you are getting a white PPT, right? But now when you have added NH4OH to it, you can see that this PPT is dissolving, right? So this way, this is the confirmatory test for your chloride ion.